What if we reimagine the world without racism? What if the idea of race as we know it was neither biological nor a social construct? Welcome to the theory of racelessness, a paradigm shift that challenges and deconstructs the very foundation of our understanding of human diversity and racism. This theory takes a bold stance, asserting that it is not race, but racism that is a human-made construction. Racism, it contends, is shaped by historical and cultural forces rather than by intrinsic or extrinsic qualities of human identity. It is not race but the belief in race and the practice of racialization that create and perpetuate complex power dynamics. So, how does the theory of racelessness approach this? It operates under a set of core principles. First, our belief in race and practice of racialization are not meaningless. They hide behind them both racism and valuable aspects of humanity. Second, race does not exist in nature for humans or as a social construct. We are all racialized, but we are inherently raceless. Third, racism is an oppressive system that requires the belief in race and the practice of racialization to reinforce power imbalances. Fourth, racialization is the process of applying an inescapable social hierarchy. And finally, racism does not exist everywhere in the same way and can be overcome. The theory of racelessness rejects essentialism and encourages the dismantling of racism by dispelling deeply ingrained beliefs in discrete human races. It introduces the Racelessness Translator, a tool that converts perceptions framed in terms of race into more precise language such as culture, ethnicity, economic class, social class, racism itself, or some combination. This theoretical framework brings in philosophical concepts, including lesser-known and often misunderstood philosophies of race, to help understand and navigate the intricate terrain of racism. Concepts like racial skepticism and eliminativism, or constructionist eliminativism, architecture, madness, twilight, the walking negative, rememory, invisible ink, consolation, maternal energy, diaspora, nation, and home. They serve as analytical instruments aimed at unification, healing, and reconciliation. Crucially, the theory recognizes racism as a socio-structural phenomenon, not an inherent trait of individuals or groups. It is the belief in race and the subsequent practice of racialization that serve to maintain economic and social power imbalances. So, what if we imagined the world without racism and then worked to create such a world? With the theory of racelessness, we can start to envision such a world and work toward it together.